As well as buttons, Birmingham became famous for the manufacture of toys. Not fun toys in this case, but small metal objects such as these. Birmingham toys filled every house. Basically, if you had something small and made of metal in your house, it was probably made in Birmingham. We can see a few examples here of what was manufactured under the umbrella term of Birmingham toys. We've got shoe buckles, we've got necklaces, candlesticks. I particularly like the weighing scales that we have just here, and small keys and lockets and things like that. They are also popular for travelling salesmen to have a small model. So if, for example, you were selling fireplaces, you wouldn't want to carry an entire cast iron fireplace around with you. So we have a Birmingham toy just down here that shows a small model fireplace, just to save that poor salesman's back and shoulders a little bit. Birmingham toys eventually went on to take on a bad reputation for cheap, shoddily made work, although this is very unfair. The reason they were so plentiful and so cheap is simply because Birmingham was pioneering mass production. And so instead of having small, individually handcrafted objects, we could have these mass-produced ones instead. The Birmingham toys led to the phrase Birmingham screwdriver, which is a derogatory term given to a hammer, with the idea that the Birmingham craftsmen were doing shoddy work, and instead of using a screwdriver to put screws in, they would use a hammer and just bash the screw in instead. This is a very unfair aspersion that was given to us from other places in Britain. Industry in Birmingham also carried on and started producing larger objects.